How to change your MacBook's wallpaper and screensaver. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to change your MacBook's wallpaper and screensaver, tap on the Apple icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on the System Preferences option and then tap on Desktop and Screensaver. Now in this interface, you will be able to make changes in your MacBook's wallpaper and screensaver. Firstly, to change wallpaper, tap on Desktop option you see there. You can select from three options, that is Apple, Photos and Folders, which includes pictures and downloads. If you tap on Apple, you can choose wallpaper from the inbuilt wallpapers of Apple, which includes patterns, nature and color. Tap on the wallpaper of your choice. You can also choose from dark and light mode in the wallpaper by tapping on the drop down below the wallpaper name. You can select nature or solid colors too. You can also choose from your photos on Mac. Mine is empty currently, and you can also choose your wallpaper from pictures and downloads. Once you are done setting wallpaper, tap on the screensaver option and go ahead and select the screensaver of your choice. You can also tap on Use Random Screensaver checkbox if you want random screensavers. If you want the clock to on screensaver, then tap on the Show with Clock checkbox. Now tap on the Show Screensaver after drop down and select the time for when you want the screensaver to appear from. You can select from 1 minute to 1 hour, and this is how you can change your MacBook's wallpaper and screensaver. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.